levels.
You can't do math cause I'm on a different level.
Well, I have more cats